Hello friends, viewers and my lovely subscribers. Warm welcome to our YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, this channel is uniquely and especially designed for fashion addict all over the world. And friends, we have provided you some of the brilliant new outfit combinations and interesting ways to update your sense of style, and based on the feedback you are submitting. So friends and viewers, this is our YouTube channel, and in this video you will see the brilliant variety of halter tops and blouses for lovely women. My dear friends, these tops and blouses designs and colors are very pretty and gorgeous as well. And friends, definitely you will like them all. And these tops and blouses designs are picked very carefully with a vision that every article suits you in every way possible. So friends and viewers, a humble request to all of my lovely friends to please watch the full video of these designs and also press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you like my video, there is a small red button. Yes, you got it right. The very subscribe button is always there for you to click, and if you are my subscriber, then I am expecting a like or comment from you. So friends and my lovely viewers, these beautiful tops styles are not only fits with your style and your budget, but also manage to represent everything that is special about your personality. Friends and viewers, to see all your favorite designs, watch the video till the end. These beautiful styles are bound to give ideas for your own outfit, no matter your celebration theme. Look through our collection. Once to know what we are talking about, you are bound to fall in love with them at first sight. Friends, you have come to this page in search for something, and we want to make sure you find it. That's why we have new arrivals every day. We want to make sure you find those ever so specific outfits like prom dresses, lace sundresses, bodycon dresses, tops and blouses, and the list goes on. So friends and viewers, this is our today's video, and we hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon for our more updates. So friends and viewers, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. And friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel Fashion Addiction. So friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. Love you all guys.